back to my another video. Today I'm going to show you in this video how to fix unable to login problem on your Facebook. And the error you can see is an unexpected error occurred. Please try login again. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are also unable to log in into your Facebook account and seeing the error and unexpected error occurred, please try login again. Then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just long press on your Facebook app. Here you will find this I button. You can see here I option. Just tap on that. Scroll down. Here you will find storage and cache. Tap on this. Once tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully, because after tapping delete, your Facebook account will be logged out and all your saved videos on Facebook app will be removed. After reading this carefully, just tap on delete. Then go back and tap on the permissions. Here you have to allow all the permissions. You can see here in this some permission has been allowed and some permission has not been allowed. So you have to click one by one and allow the permissions. Like this you have to do for all. After that, then go back, open the Play Store, then search for Facebook. If your Facebook app is not up to date, then update it here. After updation, just open your Facebook, log in your account, enter user ID and password and try. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix unable to login problem on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.